Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a carousel slider directly in Canva and embed it on your Canva website. This tutorial is perfect if you want to make a clean, interactive and professional looking slider without using any coding or any third-party tools. So carousel sliders are great for showcasing portfolios, product features, testimonials, blog content, or even just for telling a visual story in a sleek, scrollable format. So make sure that you watch this video until the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. If you want to follow along, I have added all the useful Canva links and tools in the description box below. These are the trusted resources that I use myself to save time and get better results. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to open your web browser and search for canva.com. Once you are at Canva, you need to provide your email address and create a strong password for your account, and this way you will be able to sign up on Canva. Once you have successfully logged in into your account, the interface of Canva will look something like this, where you will see a bunch of different things that you can create with the help of Canva. So since we want to create carousel slider, I would recommend you to select the presentation template. You will find presentation over here, so you can either click over here, you can even use the search bar in order to search for presentation. So whichever method you choose, you just have to simply click on that and you will be landed on this blank template page. So first, let me show you how you can customize this blank template, and then I will show you how you can get the customized and already made templates. So this is the layout that is ideal for all the sliders, as it is going to give a wide horizontal format just like most carousels. Next, we need to create 3 to 5 pages, and this will act as your individual carousel slides. So in order to add the pages, simply click on this plus icon in the middle, and here we have 5 pages in our presentation. Now is the time to make it visually consistent. So you can set the background color of all the slides. In order to do that, simply click on this background color option, and here you will see a bunch of different color. So you can select any of the colors that represent your brand. For example, let's say this one. So after selecting a color on your first slide, if you want to put it on all of your slides, simply click on the option that says change all, and it will come automatically on all of your slides. So this is looking stunning. Now is the time to design each slides one by one. So first of all, you need to click on the first page, and here you can showcase a product image or any short description, a testimonial or review, a blog post snippet or promo banner, portfolio pieces or case studies. You can use Canva's drag and drop tools to add the text, images, shapes and icons. In order to do that, simply click on the elements option, and here you will see a bunch of different shapes that you can add in your Canva slide. If you scroll down a bit, you will see tables, you will see photos, graphs, frames, etc. So whichever design you want to add in your Canva template, you need to just simply select that, and you can provide a color to it just like so. You can even click on the elements option and you can search for any term, like let's say I want to have a wallet. So after clicking on wallet, it will show you all of the results, but I would recommend you to click on graphics, and in your graphics you will see a bunch of different graphics that you can add in your Canva slide just like so. So you can adjust it like this and it will look something like this. Now if you want to add text, simply hover over to the text section, click on the add a text box, and you will see this type of text box in front of you. Now in order to increase its size, you just have to click on the plus icon in the top and it will look something like this. Now in order to adjust it, you just have to use your mouse and you can place it anywhere like this. And if you want to change the font, simply click on this font section and you can choose any of the pre-made fonts in Canva. For the color, simply select the text color option and select the color just like so, and you can just adjust it and you will see a bunch of different editing options for your text. Now if you want to get any pre-made template from Canva, you can also do that very easily. For that, simply hover over to the left hand section and click on design. Once you click on design, you will see a bunch of different pre-made templates, and you can choose any of the templates that represent your brand. You can even search for the keyword, like if you want to create a presentation for review, you can search for reviews and it will show you the review templates. If you are interested in any of these templates, simply click on that template and it will look something like this. So these are basically the layouts of the template that you have selected. It has 18 pages in total. So if you want to apply it, simply click on the apply style only and it will come in your presentation in the form of the style only. But if you want to add all of these in your presentations, simply click on the apply all 18 pages and it will ask you to replace all. So simply replace all and it will look something like this. So stunning, isn't it? Now is the time to preview the carousel experience. For that, simply hover over to the left hand section in the top right hand corner and click on present. Over here, you need to select whether you want to present the full screen or presenter view or autoplay. So for this video, I'm going to keep it on present full screen and click on the present option. Now it will look something like this. If you want to make changes into any of these, you can do that very easily. For example, if you want to change the font of it, simply select the text and you can change the font of this particular text. Similarly, if you want to change the formatting, you can do that as well by using Canva's sliders and these ribbons in the top. So this is a great way to test how the flow feels, and if needed you can adjust the timing, spacing between the slides and much more. Now in order to add it in your website, you will need to have the coded version of this presentation. In order to get that, simply click on the share option in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here you will see the see all option, so simply click on see all. Next we have the option of embed, so click on embed and it will click on the embed option and it will generate the coded version of this presentation. So here you will see the HTML embedded code, so you need to just copy it from here. You can even get the smart embedded link which is directly from Canva. So after copying the HTML code, you need to choose the smart embed link and you need to just copy it from here as well. Now in order to embed the slider into your Canva website, you need to create a Canva website first of all. For that, simply come on the home page and use the search bar and you can search for websites, or you can even click on the websites option and you will be landed on this page. You can even come on the home page and click on the apps option. In the apps, you need to use the search bar and you need to search for embed. Once you are able to find the embed feature here, this one, you need to click on use an existing design or use in a new design. So I would recommend you to go with use in a new design. Now it will ask you what would you like to create. So here you need to provide that link that we have just copied and click on the enter button. Now once you click on the enter button, it will be added in your design and Canva will insert your presentations as an embed slider. If that doesn't happen, I would recommend you to come at your Canva website, and over here you will see the option of share in the top right hand corner of the screen. Now from here you need to click on the see all option and here you need to click on the template link. Over here you need to provide the link of your template that we have just copied of the presentation and you are done. If you want to publish your website, simply click on the publish website option and it will be live. So if this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.